2 whole eggs. Very nice. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Preheated for 30 seconds. Makes the butter smooth a little bit better. It's this butter, by the way. This combo, I don't understand it. It's just really, really good. This blueberry bagel. And if you think this is too much butter, it is. Try to get an even spreading on both sides. And while I still got the butter knife out, that's for later. These we can just microwave. I only really get 2 of these, so. It's 40 seconds for 2 of those. And those 2 eggs. You don't need too much of any of these. I like to experiment. I would like more than 3 bits of rosemary, though. That's if you want the cool kids to like you. You're gonna want to murder these 2. Mix that until everything is homogeneous and both of these yolks can get to know each other, along with all the other flavors. Too much. And while we're waiting for that to sizzle, normally if I have time I'll use this one, but I gotta go to work today, so Keurig it is. Yeah, let's get the good ones. Pinch of kosher salt. Not too much. I like to wait a bit before actually turning this on because I don't want it to cool too much. Check that. Yeah, it's about that time. It's a little overdone, but I'm looking for that nice bit of color, that golden brown. She can smell it. She smells it. Oh, big stretch. Oh. I prefer these nice blue ones. That's good. That's a very unequal cut. Big one on the bottom. Those are done. Got it off, all clean, good for tomorrow. Shake it a bit. I've been on a bit of a bell pepper kick lately, but I like to also sometimes substitute it with a few of these. They're fine on their own. And that for me is breakfast. Amazing.